Have you been looking for the perfect certified pre-owned SUV with all the styling, capability, and reliability of an icon? Take a look at this 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4x4, 75th Anniversary Edition in bright white. With 17-inch bronze aluminum wheels, bronze steel front and rear bumper, power dome hood, Freedom Top black 3-piece hardtop, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, GPS navigation, heated front seats, ALPINE premium 9-speaker with all-weather subwoofer, electronic vehicle information center, audio jack input for mobile device, hill start assist, Moroccan sun interior accents, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5356A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.